Tired of manually transferring money between your TD bank account and PayPal? There's an easier way. First, log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and that you have your TD bank account details handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet. You should see options to link a bank account or a card. We're going to link a bank account, so click on that option. PayPal will then ask you to select your bank. You can either search for TD Bank in the list or choose the option to manually enter your bank details if you don't see it. If you choose to search for TD Bank, PayPal might redirect you to a secure TD Bank login page. This allows PayPal to verify your account information instantly. Log in using your usual TD Bank credentials. If you choose to manually enter your details, you'll need your TD Bank routing number and account number. You can usually find this information on a check or by logging into your TD Bank online banking. Enter these details carefully. After entering your bank details, PayPal will usually send to small deposits to your TD Bank account. This is to confirm that you are the account holder. Check your TD Bank account statement in a day or two and note the amounts of these deposits. Then, return to PayPal and enter the amounts of those deposits to confirm your bank account. Once you've confirmed the deposits, your TD Bank account will be successfully linked to your PayPal account. Now you can easily transfer funds between the two.